What you are about to witness is not just a repair. It is a story of transformation hidden in plain sight. In the most unlikely of places, an astonishing power is about to be unveiled. A journey of resilience begins with a single challenge. Stay with us, for the impossible is about to become reality. The heart of the machine has fallen silent. With focused determination, she seeks the source of the failure. Every part tells a story of neglect. Her hands, though gentle, move with an expert's precision. A moment of anticipation, hoping for a spark of life. She meticulously reconnects the machine's veins. She isn't just fixing a vehicle, she is restoring a legacy. Patience is her most powerful tool. Each bolt, each component is handled with care. It's as if she's speaking to the machine in its own language. And in the quiet, she listens for its response. Her hands read the secrets hidden within the metal. This is the moment of truth, where effort finds its reward. But the story doesn't end here. A new challenge appears, demanding skill and endurance. The setting may change, but the spirit remains unbroken. She ventures into the most difficult places without hesitation. Every angle reveals a new layer of complexity. Beneath the rough exterior lies a sophisticated system waiting to be understood. Her focus is unbreakable, even when faced with the smallest details. From repair, she moves to fabrication. The sparks of creation fly. She welds the broken pieces, transforming the old into new. Inside the vehicle, a quiet revival is underway. As one chapter closes, she clears away the remnants of the past. She wipes away the dust of time, revealing the potential beneath. The engine whispers its gratitude. Elsewhere, another call for help arises. She lends a hand without hesitation, for there is strength in unity. Together they face adversity, pulling each other's weight. Their effort is a symphony of strength and will. Every taut rope is a thread of hope. And then, with one final push, they triumph. The vehicle is freed, a testament to community power. She walks away, leaving behind a silent act of service. Another soul of steel awaits revival. Beneath the layers of rust, a heart is waiting to be healed. She prepares for the surgery, laying out her tools with intense focus. She diagnoses the problem with a deep, intuitive understanding. In her hands, an inanimate part becomes the key to the solution. The process is slow, meticulous, almost ceremonial. She cleanses the past to make way for a new future. Each small detail is reassembled with absolute care. The renewed part is returned to its rightful place. Her hands are reconnecting the machine's heartbeat. The source of power is restored, promising a new beginning. The work continues in the hardest to reach places. Every action is a step closer to completion. A moment of satisfaction as the hard work nears its end. Wiping away the marks of the struggle. Preparing for the final rebirth. Water washes away the grime of neglect. The truck's true beauty is slowly revealed. But elsewhere, another vehicle remains mired in mud. A new challenge begins. This one, reclaimed by nature, seems all but abandoned. The job is not just to repair, but to rescue. She opens the hood, ready to confront the mysteries within. She contemplates, searching for a solution to a silent problem. She works inside, where the vehicle's nervous system is in disarray. The complex web of wires demands patience and a delicate touch. She peels back the layers, getting closer to the core of the issue. She searches underneath, where damage often hides. The vehicle's foundation also needs attention. Every turn of the wrench is a mark of progress. The braking system, which ensures safety, is inspected thoroughly. Her attention to detail is absolute. She reassembles with precision and care. The wheel is returned to its place, ready to roll again. She tightens the final bolts, completing the task. The tools have served their purpose. One last check to ensure everything is perfect. The key enters the ignition. The heart of steel is about to beat again. Her smile is the reward for hours of arduous labor. On the road, the vehicle runs smoothly, a symbol of revival. Inside another truck, the cleanup begins. She cleans every crevice, restoring order to the space. Sometimes brute force is necessary to overcome an obstacle. She washes the exterior, revealing its true colors. Even the emblem is renewed, a mark of rebirth. A powerful stream of water washes away the last traces of dirt. Another vehicle is stuck, a lost soul in the wilderness. It is pulled from the brush, given a second chance. She sits behind the wheel, ready to start a new journey. A jump start to awaken the dormant heart. The key turns and hope is reignited. She begins to dismantle the interior, searching for hidden damage. Her hands work with old tools, but her skill is timeless. She works in a confined space, but her will is expansive. She reassembles each part, restoring order. The work requires persistence and a keen eye. Every tightened screw reinforces her confidence. The repair process is an intricate dance between human and machine. After the repair, she cleans, restoring its dignity. She looks out, satisfied with the work she has done. The story continues with another truck in the same spirit. She cleans the windshield for a clear view of the road ahead. Water washes away the past, preparing for a new journey. Sometimes the work is not just about fixing cars, but cleaning the environment. A new challenge, smaller but no less complex, a motorcycle. It too is washed a ritual before its revival. The toolkit is laid out, ready for another operation. She begins disassembly, her hands protected but nimble. A power drill helps her access the most stubborn parts. Part by part, it comes apart, revealing its inner structure. The work demands precision, even with the smallest components. She continues the teardown, unfazed by its complexity. Every bolt tells a story of journeys past. The motorcycle is slowly, completely disassembled. Her hands move with confidence and experience. Even the last piece is removed with care. This is a process that requires patience and deep knowledge. She inspects each part, looking for signs of wear. Before her lies a mechanical puzzle. She plans her next move, envisioning its rebirth. The engine, the heart of the bike, requires special attention. She washes it, cleansing away years of neglect. Brush and water reveal the shining metal beneath the grime. The difference between before and after is stunning. She continues her work, removing smaller components. All the parts are arranged, ready to be renewed. She works with undiminished concentration. Every movement is calculated and precise. She is delving deep into the engine's core. She removes the last bolts, exposing its very essence. The work continues, relentless. She seems tireless. Her persistence is admirable. She is nearing the end of the disassembly. Each part is handled with respect. She works methodically and efficiently. She has almost completely dismantled the engine. She continues to work with intense focus. She misses no details. The disassembly is nearly complete. Now it's time to begin the reassembly, a process of recreation. Her work draws the attention of those around her, especially the younger generation. She cleans each part, preparing it for a new life. Her hands work with dexterity and precision. She assembles the small pieces, creating a complete whole. She uses specialized tools to ensure everything is perfect. She works under observation, but her concentration is unwavering. She tightens each bolt, ensuring strength and safety. Cleaning each part before assembly is crucial for performance. She disassembles and reassembles with a deep understanding of mechanics. Her meticulousness is the key to her success. Even the smallest screws are handled with care. She works on the cylinder and piston, the heart of the engine. She cleans the cylinder, preparing it to fire once more. The carburetor, the source of fuel, is given careful attention. She cleans it, ensuring an uninterrupted flow of energy. She reassembles the carburetor, a task requiring high precision. Everything must be in its exact place. She works on the piston and connecting rod, vital engine components. She inserts the piston into the cylinder, a critical moment in the reassembly. She begins to reassemble the entire engine, one piece at a time. She inspects the cylinder, ensuring it is perfect for rebirth. The transmission system is carefully examined. The timing chain, a critical link, is removed for inspection. The gears are removed with absolute precision. A touch of red lipstick, a note of femininity in a mechanical world. The carburetor is checked one last time before installation. The gearbox, the brain of the movement, is carefully dismantled. The carburetor is installed, ready to supply fuel. The spark plug, the fire of life, is installed correctly. The cylinder head is replaced, completing the engine's heart. The engine slowly takes shape again. She lifts the repaired engine, a product of her hard work. The engine is mounted back onto the frame, a reunion. The motorcycle is washed, a final ritual before its rebirth. Even the smallest parts are cleaned. She packs up her tools, concluding a successful job. Cleaning is a critical part of the process. A grinder helps remove the most stubborn grime. She completes the final steps, ensuring everything is perfect. Now it's time to give the engine a new coat. She repaints the engine, a cosmetic transformation. The frame is also repainted, creating a unified look. The drive system is checked one more time. The gleaming engine is reassembled. She works systematically, keeping the parts organized. The engine is placed in the frame, ready for the final stages. A small hammer helps with fine adjustments. The drive system is carefully reassembled. The details of the transmission are clearly visible. A power drill speeds up the assembly process. She tightens each bolt, ensuring stability. The brake system, a crucial component, is installed. A grinder is used to clean the final parts. The engine is completed. The last part of the engine is assembled. The starter system, the gateway to life, is installed. The electrical system, the bike's nervous system, is connected. The job is done. The motorcycle has been completely reborn. Another story, another vehicle, but the same indomitable spirit. Starting with the exhaust, where the engine's roar will be unleashed. She's not afraid to get dirty, lying on the ground to reach the machine's heart. After the repair, she inflates the tires, preparing for a ride. And finally, she rides off on the dirt road, confident and free. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at LYNTLEONGOC for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.